Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Linda and this is Linda's Home and Style. So in today's video we're just gonna do random days in my life. So first I'll start by showing you how to make fresh fish from the market. Yeah, the process of washing, cutting, and then just deep frying it. I'll also be showing you my new hairstyle. Yeah, it's a nice one. Yeah, and then we're gonna make some chicken with mashed bananas. We're gonna do a grocery haul. Alafu guys, my Adsense pin came, so please guys subscribe and watch the ads.
Yeah, I know I look good. Yeah, I look fly. Baby, I'm just your type. I'm a baddie. I'm a baddie. Yeah, I know.
Hello guys, I'm back from the salon and I just want to show you my new hair. Yeah, this is my new hair, butterfly locks. It is a protective design, yeah? A protective, what can I say? A protective hairstyle. Yeah, for your hair. Like kama nywele imechoka sana na imechapa, you just want it to relax for a while, it grow back. This is the best style. But let me just say, I think I was a little bit overcharged today. But all in all, I love the results. Alafu hizi ndio kucha zangu za hands. Leo nimetengeneza kucha but za mikono, but nowadays I don't like making them cause bado tu nitaenda kwa shamba, nitalima, zitatokana. Yeah, so I'll just see how long they last ama how long they serve me. Kama zitatake a short time kutoka, I won't be doing them again. And then let me just show you my toenails. These are my toenails. Yeah, nimwambia vidole zangu ni nono, baby hippo. Fingers ama toenails. Yeah, but that's the look. So guys, this is how my hair was made. First walitumia uzi nono, yeah, for the foundation. And then after that wakatumia now the spring twist to make this like curls and everything, yeah, to get the like the distress look, yeah. So yeah, and let me tell you guys, I didn't sleep. It was so painful at night. Actually nilifungwanisha hiyo nywele. Yeah, but all and all, they're gonna last me a while. So, and I look cute in that hairstyle, so nimei like. And then I also made my toenails. Alafu na vile nimewaambia, I also made my fingernails, yeah.
Look good, yeah, I look fly. Baby, I'm just your type. I'm a baddie.
So guys, here I just passed by the poster to pick the Google AdSense pin and I was so happy, like finally imefika, and now you can be watching the ads. At least the ads generate a small revenue to the YouTube channel.
I'm a baddie. Yeah, I know I look better than all the girls that you knew before. Had your chance, but I'm not playing anymore.
So here I had just gotten back home and I came with 4 fishes. Yeah, and if you're not going to like wash your fish immediately, just soak them in a basin like full of water. So that is what I did first. After that nika decide let me just wash, and this is now me washing. Yeah, and for my fish I usually get the scales and ile matumbo za ndani removed at the market and wanaosha kidogo. So I just come home and again clean. Now this is a thorough clean. Then I pat down with a tissue paper before cutting these deep cuts in the fish.
Go get your bags at the matador. Silly boy, silly boy, silly boy. Feeling good, change my hair and you can't ignore. I'm in my bag, shout out to Dior. I would be so ahead if we're keeping score. Silly boy, silly boy, silly boy. I don't need a man, yeah, I'm good by myself. Spending this money and I made it myself. Now I'm glowed up and you're stuck by yourself. Yeah, I know I look good. Yeah, I look fly. Baby, I'm just your type. I'm a baddie.
I know I have said patting down with a tissue, like ile kitchen tissue, see tissue ya choo, yeah? Ile kitchen tissue, it's very good for absorbing, and that is what I was doing here. Like that is what I used to pat down the fish.
I'm a baddie. Yeah, I know I look good. Yeah, I look fly. Baby, I'm just your type. I'm a baddie. I'm a baddie. Yeah, I know I look good. Yeah, I know I look good.
So now after patting it down and making sure like I've removed most of the water from the fish, I just start making this mixture. This mixture I usually just coat the fish with it before deep frying, just to get the golden look in the fish, yeah, and then also to add some flavors. So hapa nime add unga, all-purpose flour, then garlic powder, paprika, as in you've seen paprika, then onion powder, yeah, and salt, just to give the fish some flavor and to add some color. And then I just paka my fish like yote, yeah. And you see now the reason why I was patting, like ikiwa wet sana it will be so soggy and messy. That is why I ensure like my fish ziko dry vizuri, so that when I paka this mixture in a stick poa and then it's not soggy.
Yeah, I know I look in my cash app for all the time you wasted. Skin so tight, I don't need a facelift. Drip so high, got the diamond bracelet. Got the diamond bracelet. You try to play all these games, but I'm staying woke. You can never keep a job, so you're staying broke. Got my high heels on, so you'll always know. Yeah, you'll always know. I don't need a man, yeah, I'm good by myself. Spending this money and I made it myself. Now I'm glowed up and you stuck by yourself. Yeah, I know I look good. Yeah, I look fly. Baby, I'm just your type. I'm a baddie.
So now after coating my fish and making sure like your mixture it may cover every bit of the fish, I just heat up my oil. Yeah, and you need to have very hot oil for deep frying your fish. But if you don't have a deep fryer or a deep fryer, basically, you just put your oil in a sufuria and make sure it's very hot before dipping in your fish.
I'm a baddie. Yeah, I know I look good. Yeah, I look fly. Baby, I'm just your type. I'm a baddie. I'm a baddie. Yeah, I know I look good. Yeah, I know I look good. Yeah, I know I look.
So always make sure that you give your fish enough time to cook on one side. Like make sure imeiva kabisa before flipping it for the other side to cook, yeah. Because if you like change or if you flip it kama haijaiva vizuri, it can break, yeah. It just becomes messy and then the fish breaks. So yeah, make sure like hiyo side ya chini imeiva vizuri, like it's hard enough to be flipped without breaking. And then I just continued on like deep frying the other remainder of the fish or the fishes, yeah.
Walk out the door in my little black dress. Been a long day and I need to de-stress. Sun sets behind downtown skyline. My headphones on, play my favorite song. Turn the volume up all the way on my phone. Pulsing concrete under my feet. City is my club tonight. Hips way under traffic lights. Street talk, no neon.
So guys, let's remember that we've coated the fish just to improve on the flavors and also to improve on the golden brown appearance, yeah. Because usipoweka hiyo coating, fish yako ikwangi like this golden brown color that we've achieved in this video.
Right, it's a dance floor in moonlight. New age and life can get crazy. I just sit away like whoop, oh no. If I'm too serious then I might go crazy. I just sit away like whoop, oh no. Turn up the radio, I let it go. Turn up the radio, oh oh. Turn up the radio, I let it go. Turn up the radio, oh oh. Walk down the street and I move to the snare. Throw my hands up to the bass like a prayer. Stars shine behind.
So this was the last fish to come out of the oil, and I decided to plate this fish on a tray, alafu nikazieka like on the dining table, they cool down. But without me knowing, my kids had come from school and they decided to eat the fish without even letting me know, because I had gone upstairs. Yeah, I had just placed them like this hivi nikaziacha hapo ati they cool down, and then I come like remove two tutapika, but Walikula hivyo na salt. Yani they were eaten like snacks. You know how you eat popcorn? Yeah, hivyo. So guys, I'm from the market and I just want to share what I've got. Like, nimebuy vegetables. Alafu nimedu like a mini restock ya vitu tu kidogo za kuweka kwa fridge in terms of protein and such. So we'll just open naonyeshe. Leo nataka kuonyesha ile mboga inaitwa miroe vile inakaa, and then I'll just explain kidogo vile inapikwa. So let's do this guys. So guys, let me start na karatasi ya Naivas kwanza. Naonyeshe what I got from Naivas. Of course bread. And then today I got this value pack ice cream. I want to make waffles, and you know waffles zinaendanga poa zikiwa na ice cream. Yeah. And then this is sandwich beef, and then this is brown, yeah, again beef. Yeah, I want to make like 10 breakfast ideas. That's why mnaona nimebuy hizi. Yeah, and then my children wana enjoy sandwich so much, but wanakulanga tu plain sandwich. So today I want to like upgrade a notch, yeah? Just kidogo for them. Then nimekuwa nikiona kwa videos zenyu so much ya Shelvin, Mary Smart, so much. So like nimekuwa nikiona hii go fruit, yeah, and I have a history with go fruit, but I like sijakuwa nikikunywa like yes, sijakuwa anyway, it's a long story, but yeah, I just wanted to taste this one and this one, yeah, nijue how they taste, the flavors. And of course garlic powder, honey. I really like taking water, like the hot water in the morning, yenye inakuanga na apple cider vinegar, honey and lemon. So that's why I bought honey. And then this is just onion powder, garlic powder, apples. Ini wipes ya mtoi. Again, buy water wipes. Water wipes because you can flush them in the toilet. Again, this is a long story. I don't know if I'll ever talk about it, but yeah, we usually use water wipes with him. And then hii ni mala yetu imemwagika. Yeah, imemwagika. I'm planning to make like blueberry muffins. Yeah, that's why we've bought this mala. We'll just try to clean it up. Yeah, but imemwagika vizuri. Yani imemwagika sana. And then this is just chicken billy. Yeah, it's a mess, a total mess in here, but yeah, we'll just clean, alafu we package them in the fridge. So next, hizi sasa ni vitu za soko, and today we went to Wakulima market. The market is so huge guys. If you pass Nakuru, hata kama umekuja tu visit and something, just make sure like you visit that market. It's so big, and then kuna kila kitu unaweza penda. Yeah, imenibamba sana. So hizi ni hoho from Wakulima market. Passion. I'm a passionate person. That's why I like passion, I guess. So nimebuy hizi, and these ones were going for 200 a kilo. Hoho today was going for 120. Yeah, all of this 120. Cabbage is a little bit expensive sahi. So cabbage nilikuwa na buy moja like 60 bob. Alafu hizi ni kunde. I don't know if you can see like up close. Kuna watu wajuangi hizi mboga za kienyeji. Hizi mboga za kienyeji ni kila kitu. So kwangu ya. So hii ni mboga ya kienyeji, hii ni kunde. And for kunde, I usually mix with mrenda and miro. Hii ni mrenda, alafu hii ni miro. Miro inafanyanga mboga yako ikuwe like na a bitter taste kiasi. It's not like mboga ya kienyeji. It's kind of different. Yeah, so you just need to add like kidogo. And yeah, I'll be combining imrenda, kunde and miro. I really enjoy hizi mboga za kienyeji. Yeah. As much as I'm a baby girl, mimi napenda mboga za kienyeji sana. Alafu hizi ni nyanya. Kasuku moja was going for 200 shillings. And again, you can see fresh nyanya, good quality, like your market ni poa. Yeah, you'll just get fresh produce and you won't be disappointed when you get home. Yeah, so hizo ni mrenda and kunde. So hizi ni more cabbage. I bought 3 cabbages today. And then for cabbage, I think ukiangalia ile video ya fridge organization and cleaning, utajua vile how to keep your cabbage for such a long time without going bad. You can go and watch it. Alafu again, hizi ni mboga za kienyeji. Yeah. Hizi sasa zinaitwa terere. Alafu again, managu for me. Managu ndio hii. And then kuna sageti. Sageti iko chini kabisa. Kuna sageti. Ndio hii sageti. Sageti again, it's like sageti inakusaidia kutreat even viruses in your body and such. Yeah, it has a lot of health values for you. That's why mimi napenda hizi mboga za kienyeji so much, yeah. Yeah, si mboga tu, like ni mboga na ina help body yako. So hii ni sageti. Again, ukiangalia ile video nyingine ya batch cooking, utaona vile I just tengeneza this mboga, boil and keep in the freezer for eating with the protein. And that's mob, so sitatoa zote. And I'm tired today. Tuanze na hii. So hizi ni garlic. Napenda hizi local garlic, eh? Hizi garlic kienyeji, eh? Zinakuanga like you just use a tiny bit and the flavor is there in your food like nonsense. Hii ni yellow beans, of course. Mnanijua mimi na yellow beans. Yellow beans ama green beans. Hizi hapa, eh? Nazipenda sana. They are less in gas. Yeah. Of course, this is lemon for my lemon water and for making chicken marinade, eh? For making chicken marinade. That's why tunapenda a lot of lemon, buy a lot of lemon. And again, kilo moja I think was going for 100 bob. Yeah, this is 3 for 20. Easy kilo moja was going for 100 bob. That is one thing I love about Nakuru food. You will enjoy fresh food and the prices are friendly. Hii ni unga ya ugali, ile unga ya ugali ya kienyeji. Sijui nipike ugali ya kienyeji one day nionyeshe vile inakaa. Yeah. But basically I bought it because my sons will be having cultural day in school. And when they have cultural day, so tengeneza cultural foods, eh? Yeah, to carry to school and enjoy after the celebration ama fashion show. So yeah, I'll also share with you that mone vile kwa uenda. Istaki shike maji. So I'll just place it up. Of course, hizi ni beetroot. Na beetroot zimepotea kwa soko. I think vile mvua ime come back. I think this time we'll see beetroot zimeanza kurudi pia. And then this is dania and ginger. This is red cabbage. I don't know why they call it red cabbage and it's purple. I think this one is going for 100 bob. Alafu hii, if you have gastritis, if you have shida za H. pylori, if you have hizo shida za gut, just combine this with apple and a little bit of ginger. You can blend it or make it like a juice. Drink it the first thing in the morning. You'll see a very big change in your stomach, eh? And then I got these colored hohos. Again, easy zote. I think ilikuwa sombili. Yeah, sombili. And then as you can see, they are fresh and everything. Poa sana, ni relatively cheap compared to buying in a supermarket, yeah. And then I got carrots. Carrots kwa wingi. Again, Mnajua why I like carrots for juicing. Apart from cooking, we juice every day in the morning. And then I also got onions. Zimemwagika zote, but we'll just organize after this. So these are just carrots, onions, and kifagio. I've been searching for this kifagio everywhere. I hope the dog won't eat it. Hii dog yetu iko na tabia mbaya sana. So hii ndo kifagio. Yeah. Naipenda. I love traditional stuff. Yeah, cultural stuff. Hizo vitu, yeah. Naipenda sana. So I also got some mangoes for my boys. Na saizi mangoes zimeanza kupotea. I don't know if you've noticed, guys. Zimeanza kulost. So basically mangoes tu kidogo, alafu mandizi. Hizi mandizi zinaitwa aje? Watu wanazitanga plantains. Yeah, hizi raw mandizi. I want to make like a mashed banana for dinner and chicken. I think I'll share with you that video. Yeah, I think nimemiss tu hiyo sana. Yeah. So I'll be making that. Alafu hizi ni sweet potato, cassava na nduma. Yeah? Yeah, tumesema tunatengeneza video ya 10 breakfast ideas. That is why I bought this, but again, I prefer this to bread. Spendi stories za mkate. So for my tea, I just love my tea with such traditional foods. Alafu of course viazi. And low bei ya viazi ilikuwa huko juu. Actually nilikuwa na feel like, gosh, do I really need to buy viazi? Do I really need to buy viazi? Hiyo kasuku kubwa, like inaitwa gallon ama ni nini? It was 1,100. Nisikia vibaya, but because last time nilibuy at 800. I hope vile mvua inakuja prices za food zitarudi chini kidogo, but sikuwa na otherwise I had to buy. One reason, potatoes are a staple in our house. Alafu mtu wangu anabebanga chips once a week, akulangi food ya shule. Again, a long story, but yeah. So easy tu wa viazi kidogo tu hizi. Easy tu viazi kidogo, easy tu zote easy like easy. 1,100. Yeah, hapo ndo pesa mob imeenda leo. And I think that's that. So we'll just like organize hizi vitu zetu, tutengeneze mboga, tuweke kwa fridge, story share hapo. But I want to share how I make dinner, like a mashed banana. That one I'm going to share with you guys. Guys, right now I want to make chicken, and I had a complaint that you can't learn from what I've been doing. So leo nataka kuwapeleka step by step of how I make my chicken. So basically, onion powder, paprika, then this is garlic. You can use your garlic paste if you have garlic paste, but for marinade napenda kutumia like this powder stuff. This is tandoori for chicken, just to enhance the flavors basically. Yeah, this is this is mixed herbs. Our surface is clean, so nitaokota tu niweke hapa ndani. This is mixed herb. That is mixed herb. Alafu sometimes I usually add lemon herbs, but since today we have lemon, it's here. I'll just like cut, then squeeze in the lemon.
Town skyline, tonight, just gonna dance. Fall for.
And then today we have some extra buttermilk. So tutaweka buttermilk yetu. And then of course brown sugar. Alafu this is white vinegar. For chicken I prefer using white vinegar, so white vinegar. Balsamic vinegar. And then this is soy sauce. Hesabu inakuanga hesabu ya macho. I'm not like so hard on quantities. Like hesabu ya macho according to the size of the chicken for that particular day. So this is barbecue sauce. You just add a bit, yeah. And after that, I'll just mix my mixture kabisa kabisa. If you have honey, you can use your honey also and not add in the brown sugar. Ina depend na wewe ama vile umeamuka. So today tuko na kakuku kadogo ndio haka, and we'll just cut it up into pieces alafu tuiweke kwa hiyo marinade solution yetu. And kukata kuku inakuanga so easy for me. You just cut at the joints. Hii kuku yetu leo ni ndogo, but today we are few in the house, so it will just be enough for us. Hatuko wengi sahi. So there's the chicken. I'll just pour it in now. Mix everything together, and then monas jeka salt. Acha niweke salt. It because already you have a lot of flavors going on. So you just put kidogo. Mix. After you've mixed, to make sure like kila part of the chicken iko like the mixture imeingia into every part of the chicken, you just cover with the clinging film, then you place in the fridge. Yeah, you can put it for 24 hours, for 6 hours, for 2 hours, vile tu unataka yeah. So ndio hii chicken I'll just wrap it up, then I place in the fridge to marinate poa. Yeah.
For the rhythm of sonic romance, pulsing concrete under my feet. City is my club tonight. Hips way under traffic lights. Streets are glowing.
So here I was just placing the chicken in this air fryer. Yeah. And today I remembered to oil the pan, so my chicken didn't burn at the end of it all. Yeah, I was happy about that. Most of the time, musahau. And then if you don't have this air fryer, You can use any other air fryer or just place your chicken in the oven. Yeah, you will still achieve this kind of chicken, like yeah, you get what I'm saying. Yeah, and I hope amjona kamende kamepita hapo.
It's a dance floor in moonlight. New age and life can get crazy. I just sit away like whoop, oh. If I'm too serious, then I might go crazy. I just sit away like whoop, oh. Turn up the radio, I let it go. Turn up the radio, oh. Turn up the radio.
So guys, since I was sick, I've been craving very funny things, yeah? And today I was just craving mashed banana. And first what you do, you just place your banana in a pan, you boil. After boiling, you just mash basically. And I also added some mixed herbs because I just love the smell of mixed herb in my food, yeah? And here is where I'm now blending it, and I used this thing, ikitu sijui inaitwanga aje, inaitwanga cup blender. Yeah, I used it to mash my banana, and I also added one potato, yeah, just to enhance the flavors, yeah, basically. And it was nice. So it was now time to serve my food, and I added some cabbage on the side because Mimi, I love a balanced meal, and I'm so much into healthy stuff, but excuse me, so guys, we are reaching the end of the video, and I'm so grateful for you being here, and I hope you subscribe, share, and comment. See you.